sets, Python sets. They are unordered and without duplicates, and they are represented by flower braces. So S1 is equal to 1 2 3 comma A comma B comma C in flower braces. This is a set, and here we are printing S1 and we are trying to find out what type is S1. To give us it's a set, or we can represent a set using the set keyword. Is S2 is equal to A B C D, this one, and S3 is equal to set PQR CD. Let us execute. So initially we printed the set. It is, because it is unordered, it is giving us A1 2 3 C B, and print type of S1. Type of S1 is class set. Now let us see some manipulations of the sets. Here this part of the code we have completed, so let us comment this part of the code. Here this one we need this S2 and S3. S2 has got ABCDE twice. S3 has got PQRCD. Now we are printing S2 and then printing S2 ampersand S3, printing S2 or S3, printing S2 caret S3, and printing S2 minus S3. Let us start without debugging. Now we are printing initially S2. S2 has got ABCDE twice, so it has removed the duplicates and given us ABCDE, but set is unordered, so it has given it in an unordered format DACBE, and print S2 ampersand S3. So between S2 and S3 the common elements are C and D, so it has given us C and D here. S2 or S3, so whether in S2 or in S3 we has to give everything. So it has given us A, B, C, D, E. In this there are 8 elements, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So it has got A, B, C, D and E, and then P, Q, R. So it has got all the elements. So it has this or this S2 or S3, so it has taken what are there in S2 and what are there in S3 and remove the duplicates. S2 caret S3. So this has removed the common elements. The common elements between the two are C and D. So it has removed C and D and given us rest of the elements. And last one is S2 minus S3. And between S2 and S3 the common elements are C and D. So it has removed C and D and given us A, B, E. Because it has removed the duplicates, we got A, B, E, and C and D were removed from here. Because in S3 we have C and D, it has S2 minus S3 gives us BAE.